everyone, welcome back to Recipe Kit channel. I'm going to cook and share on how to make variety dish based from eggs. And today this is stir-fried eggs with Bunapi or beach mushroom. The ingredients are eggs, Bunapi mushroom, black fungus, sliced tomato, spring onion, chopped garlic, pepper powder, salt, mushroom broth, soya sauce, and cooking oil. Whisk the eggs and add a pinch of salt inside. And fry with a little bit of oil. Remove from the pan and put aside. And now I'm going to saute the garlic. Add Bunapi mushroom. And black fungus inside. And stir fry for a while before adding other ingredients. And now add the sliced tomato, pepper powder, salt, mushroom broth, and the soya sauce. Lastly, add the spring onions and the fried eggs inside. And now, fried eggs with Bunapi mushroom is ready to serve. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you again for the next episode only at Recipe Kit channel. Bye bye.